Welcome back to Smartterm. Today I'll be showing you how to embed YouTube videos to classrooms and subjects. First, you'll need to pick the classroom that you wish to enter. In the discussion board, click the third option on the submenu. Head over to YouTube on the video you want and right-click, copy embed code. Back on our platform, you pick the embed option, Ctrl V to paste the embed code. After clicking OK, the video should appear. Then you press post. By scrolling down, you should see the video that you uploaded. You can follow the same steps in subjects to embed a video. Click the subject that you want. In the discussion board, click embed, Ctrl V to paste the code, OK, post, and the video should pop up.